Today we have received F10 Pro Selfie Stick. Let's open it and see what we have got here. We got in the collect bag a mini tripod, stand, charging cable and selfie stick. It's very nice high quality material. Here we have 3-axis gimbal motor, a button for photo or video and USB port to charge or connect the mobile. Charging C-type port and some other buttons functionality for gimbal motor movements. Okay, let's make a test with F10 Pro. It's really nice quality selfie stick and cheap in the market, which cost $55. Below I have given the link to buy F10 Pro, and please give one like which I deserve, share the video and subscribe my channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.